Thanks for stopping by, everyone. We made this balm a few weeks ago, so they should be up in Etsy and eBay in the next couple of days here. This is a calamine clay and oatmeal bath bomb. This would be good for anybody with like chickenpox, poison sumac, poison oak, poison ivy. If they've got dry skin from like eczema or psoriasis. And I really like having these in the winter because when you're outside in the elements and the wind is whipping pretty good and the air is drier, your skin will feel itchier, and this will help soothe that. So this is a 2.5 inch balm. We'll see how long it lasts. I also did not put fragrance in these, so if the person has irritated skin already, I didn't want to possibly add to it with the fragrance oils or essential oils. But you can always message us if you'd like this balm to have a scent, and we can make them for you. Anywhere from 1 inch, 1.5, or maybe it's 1 inch, 2, 2.5, and 3 inch balms. I typically only make the 3 inch balms, and then if I have any leftover formula mixture, I will make a smaller balm and use that for these demonstration videos. You can buy our oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, on its own in a bag of, I believe it's 8 ounces, but I can send you up to a 4-pound bag at a time, and if you want 8 pounds, I could just send you 2 bags. You guys see the calamine clay in there? It's giving the soft pink color to the water, to the foam layer on top. Let's see if we can get a video over here on this side. So it's turning a little opaque. I think as the balm disintegrates and infuses into the water, you'll see more of a mild color shift. This video is in real time, so you can see what to expect. It's right at about the 4-minute mark right now. I think our largest bombs could last anywhere from 6 minutes to 30 minutes, depending if we put SLSA in there. The SLSA makes the bubbles more foamy. It contributes to the layer right now that you're seeing, the white layer with the pink flecks in it. I don't think there's too much SLSA in here though. I wanted it to dissolve on the faster side as fast as possible, because a person who needs the balm needs to have a fast resolution to the balm disintegrating so it can nourish their skin. And also with this type of bath bomb, with anything with colloidal, oatmeal, or calamine clay, you want to gently pat your skin dry so the layer of calamine and oatmeal stay on your skin to help rehydrate it, nourish it. Again, the Calamine Clay Colloidal Oatmeal Bath Bombs do not have a scent, so it shouldn't irritate your skin or whoever uses this balm. It'll help repair their skin. There's no color additives to the balm. The pink that you're seeing is from the Calamine Clay. I do use baking soda, which also helps nourish your skin and detoxify it, and that's where the white is coming from. I will say, blue, sorry. The foam, in my view, looks a really subtle pink to the oatmeal color. On the camera, it looks like it's more white or pink. For me, it's all just varying shades of pink. If you want the balm to work faster, if you're a little bit desperate, let's say, you can crush the balm in your hand and release all the ingredients at once. And then if you swirl the water around, agitate the water, it will help disperse the Calamine Clay and the oatmeal in the bath. I put just a few regular flakes of oatmeal on the top for decoration. Nothing that you need to worry about with your drain. It'll go right down, not a problem. I'm gonna try to break this balm up a little bit, as you can see. I don't know where that one, is that right there? Yeah, there's just a few flakes of it in there. Well, maybe I can't. I've got really super bad anemia. I can barely stand more than a few minutes, so I cannot get this balm to separate. I don't have the strength to get it to go. I was not expecting that. It must be because of the Calamine Clay making it rock hard. That's what the water looks like now. Opaque. Sorry the camera's so shaky. It's just the anemia, not having the energy, the strength to hold it very well. If anybody knows any good mounting equipment available on Amazon, please leave me a message, or the whole community a message about it, so we can order that and have a more stable filming for you. We're at 12 minutes. We're at 15 minutes now. This balm is smaller than the ones that I sell. Sorry about that. I am going to end the video here. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you on the next video.